Hello guys, how are you? As you know that electric cars are evolving faster than ever, and Nissan is ready to shake things up again. Remember the Nissan Leaf, one of the pioneers of EVs, well, is finally getting Successor, and trust me, this new crossover is nothing like the Leaf you remember. It's bolder, sportier and smarter, and yes, it's coming in 2025 with all-wheel drive. Let's dive into what makes this EV one of the most exciting launches of the decades. When the Nissan Leaf first launched back in 2010, it was first mass-market electric car over 500,000. Leaf have been sold worldwide. But let's be honest, the Leaf was practical, not sexy. It was affordable, but it wasn't the kind of EV you would dream about driving on a weekend. Nissan knows this, and that's why Leaf Successor isn't just about range and efficiency anymore. It's about performance, it's about style, it's about proving that Nissan can compete with the Tesla, Hyundai, and even upcoming EV games like Rive. See, you'll notice that design forget the old hatchback shape. This is a crossover, sleeker lines, a sportier stance, and that futuristic Nissan front grille that screams EV. The proportions are bold with the sharp headline and aerodynamic body that looks more premium than anything Nissan has built before in this segment. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. But real game-changer performance for the first time, Nissan is offering an all-wheel drive. That means more grip, more confidence, and yes, more fun behind the wheel. Imagine a Leaf that can actually handle mountain roads, snows, and dirt race without breaking a sweat. That's exactly what this success is promising, and a little report suggests power figures that could rival some of the hottest TV crossover on the market today. And of course, it's 2025, so the tech had to be next level. Expect a full digital cockpit, next-gen infotainment, advanced driver assistance, and seamless connectivity with over-the-air updates. Nissan is also pushing solid-state battery development, so don't be surprised if this crossover show up with improved charging speed and longer range compared to a Leaf. We are talking real that could comfortably take you on road trip without constant charging stops. No, here's where it gets more interesting. This EV stepping into one of the toughest battles in the car market. Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia EV6, Ford Mustang Mach-E, all of them are fighting for same audience. But Nissan has a huge advantage: brand trust and blueprint recognition. If Nissan presses this right, underputting Tesla by offering sport-tier performance than Hyundai or Kia, this could be a game changer not just for Nissan but for the EV market as whole. The Nissan Leaf Successor just another EV crossover, or it is a car that will finally make Nissan again? We'll find out in 2025 when it officially hit the market. But one thing for sure, this is not just a Nissan Leaf. This is Nissan comeback. If you're excited about a Nissan Leaf Successor, hit the like button, share this video with your EV loving friends, and tell me in the comments, would you choose this over Tesla Model Y or Hyundai Ioniq 5? Let's start the conversation.